Hey guys, today we're going to do a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you are using Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and now you want to make a first time setup of your device, so let's see how can you do this. When you power on your phone, you'll have this type display. You just have to select your language from here. Just tap on it and here you can easily choose language which you want. As I have already selected one, here's the English United Kingdom from my phone, and here just select start to go to the next page. And after that you will get this type display which is for your review. You just have to agree to terms and policies of end user agreement, or there's the privacy policy, and there's the sending of data diagnostics. You just have to select agree to all, then select agree from here, and after that you will get a this type display which is easy setup with another device. If you are still using any other device before this one and you want to make a setup using that phone, so let's see how can do this. You just have to select from here Galaxy or Android device. Here's the iPhone which you have using. You can easily select from here. Then just scan a QR code and your all data will be transferred. But I'm going to set them manually from here because I'm not yet using any phone. You just have to select set them manually, and here to the Wi-Fi network you just have to look for a Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect this one, and here you just have to enter the password of your Wi-Fi network. Just enter that, select connect from here, and when you're connected to the internet it will show the next option in the bottom right corner. You just have to tap on it, and after that you will get this type display which is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. You just have to wait for a few minutes. It might be 2, 3, or 5 minutes. You just have to wait until it's being loading. It will depends on your internet speed. You just have to wait for it. So after that we'll continue. So after waiting for almost 2 or 3 minutes, I have reached to this page. It's the copy apps and data. If you're using any phone, it might be Android or any Samsung phone, you can easily select next to copy your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and much more. You just have to select, but I'm going to skip this. I'm going to select don't copy from here, and here you'll get this tab display which is checking info, and here you just have to set up your Google account. So let's see how. After that, it will show you this tab screen which is Google sign in. If you have any Google account, you can easily log in here, but if you won't have an account you just have to select create account to create one for you, but I'm going to skip this because I will set up it later. Just select skip from here, and here you'll get to protect your phone with your face, fingerprints, pattern, pin, or password with which way you want. If you want to set up, you can easily set up from here, but I'm going to skip it, and I will set up it later in settings. Here's Google services, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostics, install updates and apps. You just have to agree to them all. Then select accept from here, and after that you'll get this type display which is getting ready your phone. It will take a few minutes, but it won't take a few minutes. It will just take half minute, and after that you will get Samsung account. If you have any Samsung account, you can easily log in here, your email or phone number or QR code. But if you won't have any account, you can easily create new one. Just select the forgot password or don't have any account. Select it, and here if you have forgotten password of your Samsung account, you can easily recover it. If you want to create account, just select the first option, but I'm going to set up it later in setting. Just select the option, and here just skip this one, and here you just have to select all to agree to them all terms and policies, and after that select agree, and here the Samsung services which is auto blocker and this is customization service. You must have to agree to them, and here choose your display mode which you want. It's a light display or dark display. You can easily select which you want. I'm going to select light, then select next from here, and you will get this type display which is please wait. You just have to wait for it, and that's all. You have all set up, and here you just have to select home to go to your home screen on your phone. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.